What is going on, guys? Benny here. I did get some cool new stuff in today. This is from SVS Sound Revolution. Obviously, guys, we kind of know by now who SVS is. They did end up sending me the Prime Wireless Soundbase, as well as the Ultra bookshelves. So we're gonna unbox those right now. And yeah, let's do it. So let's see how they package this. I'm not sure if it's just a review sample that they're sending me, if it's a new one they're sending me. Nick over there didn't specify. He was just like, I'll send you this stuff. Okay. So let's open it up. See what's in it. This looks like a brand new one. For sure. Alright. Some registration. Packaged with very nice soft cell foam. Wow, this is a little guy. Okay. We have the plug here. And that looks like it. Wow. Pretty simple. Alright. So I wanted to get this stuff out of there as soon as I can, only because I want to get some videos up for you guys. Maybe we'll use this. And does it have a... Yeah, it's just a basic guy there. I'm not going to fully get rid of this yet because I want to put this packaging in there. That's a gigantic silica gel bag for sure. Okay, getting excited about silica gel bags. So this is kind of like an integrated amplifier, basically a really tiny Class D integrated amplifier. I forget what the specs are, just basic specs. So I'll kind of just read off the box here then. It's a wireless hi-fi or wireless high resolution streaming of your favorite music services, high fidelity, high power 2-channel wireless power amplifier, 6 front panel presets for instant access to your music services. It does have a 24-bit by 192 kilohertz DAC. And it is 300 watts, so 150 watts per channel, which is pretty awesome. It does have DTS Play-Fi wireless technology, so you can use the application through your phone. Does have Bluetooth, optical, and aux audio inputs. 1 subwoofer out for adding bass. If one SVS should have at least two, but you know, we all want 4 bass subwoofer outputs because you're a subwoofer company and audio company, come on. So that's funny because I think Ron said it at New Record Day, he's like, there's no reason for speakers, just subs. And then it has a line level output as well. So currently it's kind of funny, like this puts out more watts than my integrated. My integrated is quite big. So, okay, and then, but the real kicker about this little guy is it gives you all that power and all those features, and this guy's only $4.99. So if you're gonna use it for like a Soundbase or something like a Soundbase, if you're gonna use it as like a sound bar, this would be probably the best version of a sound bar. So this guy is tiny, so small. So it's got a source selector and preset selector, and then a volume knob. It is a step volume knob, I can feel it. And yeah, this is a brand new unit. Brand spanking new. Alright, so I'm guessing this lights up and tells you all the cool stuff on the front and what's going on. Let's see. Let's do this. Basics, going over the back. Speaker terminals, box in left and right. Sub out, right, left, out, optical in, Wi-Fi setup button, Bluetooth setup button, network in and network out. And then this is a service USB, not for music or anything. And then a 3.5 millimeter aux in. And then your basic power plug. This thing weighs nothing. It weighs nothing. All right. Yeah, this guy weighs nothing. So in terms of the build itself, very good build. It's got little rubber feet on the bottom. So if you're gonna use this with their SVS wireless, you can, because it would be Bluetooth over that. And then also, one of the cool things is, like I was saying earlier, is if you were gonna use this like as a sound bar, like for a 2.1, this would probably be your best bet in terms of if you wanted something simple such as hooking it up to your TV, because you could just hook it up to the TV through the optical in, and then you're good and away. And hook up some speakers and one sub, and you have a really good 2.1 setup. So that's the unboxing of the SVS Soundbase. We're gonna have a good review of this. I'm probably gonna put this in my main living room and see how it sounds compared to my regular Onkyo that I have in there. Obviously this isn't a processor, so well, maybe I'll run it as a digital out from my Onkyo to this, and then have this power the speakers and that be the processor. I could do that. Alright guys, well with that, I will see you in the next one. This is the unboxing of the SVS Soundbase. Look out for the review of this. Also the SVS Ultra bookshelf speakers in the near future. I will see you guys in the next one. Later.